It's Peter from NT Realty, and today we're in Prcanj. We've got this beautiful stone cottage for you right on the first line. You've got 3 levels of 30 square meters, though the roof is also registered on the papers. So you've got 90 square meters of living. You've also got the garden in front of you. You've got this awesome views right behind me here. If you're new to the channel, we're all about real estate in the Bay of Kotor area, so Kotor Bay, Tivat Bay and Luscious Peninsula. So please like the channel if you like it, and subscribe if you want to watch the latest videos. Let's go through the property. So here we are. I may as well start with the view. Fantastic views. As I say, you're right on the first line with these awesome views across the bay in Prcanj. Across the road, so you've got this bit of a garden here. Here's the house. It's the one in the middle with the white shutters and the windows open. And we'll just go up the stairs. I've tried to change the format. Some of the people complained last time I did a video that it was rushing around too much. So I'm not doing too much speed ramping this time. So little terrace in front of the house. In total, you've got about 45 square meters in front of the house and about 15 in the back, which I'll show you later on in the video. So just to show you the front, you have this terrace here. So nice terrace here, which kind of goes down onto the road. That gives you an ideal opportunity to cut into that garden and maybe make some parking and covered area and further terraces closer to the sea. Now, as you can see, it's not the most glamorous property from the inside, but I just want to show you what's here. So kind of space-wise, plumbing-wise, and so on. So you've got a downstairs bathroom, moving upstairs. You've got a nice big bedroom here. Now I think this bedroom is big enough, especially as you have the 2 windows here, to either split it into 2 or make it into a bedroom with an ensuite, which makes a lot of sense. Now upstairs you have another 2 bedrooms as well, and I think that also could work well either as obviously as the 2 bedrooms or as you're coming up to now, or 1 bedroom, and this area here to be kind of the ensuite, so to make it a nice decent size property. Just look here, look at the thickness of the walls here. It's about 80 centimeters to 1 meter thick, so that's how they built the properties here. So this is the bedroom on the top floor. And once again, you've got these 2 windows looking out. These outside walls obviously are stone, so once you reveal the plaster there, you have an amazing kind of stone features, not to mention the amazing views that you have outside. So just switching to a bit of B-roll I did before. So these are the views of the bay and a little bit of a view of Prcanj town itself. You know, it's got some great churches, lovely kind of little collar bars on the water. Here we are, just a top-down view of the terrace. That will show you the area where you can have your parking. And once again, these views, mountain and sea views, phenomenal. Just going to the back of the house, you got approximately, I think, 15 square meters of plot here, so enough to hang your washing out, I don't know. Final view, we can just show you the roof, which is quite nice. Not too bad, so obviously done, you know, in the last couple of decades. Looks in decent nick. So there's the property. It's the one in the middle, like I said. Fantastic renovation project. I'm going to show you something in the screens now of a property which is being renovated. So you can either buy something like this or look at the videos on the screen now to have a look at something which is renovated, or another property that we have for renovation as well in the Prcanj area. Thanks for watching.